Hello everyone. In this video, I want to speak about static calls such as parent, self, and static, and then talk about late static binding in PHP. Understanding these things is very important if you move up in programming and rise your programming level, because without this knowledge, you can't learn concepts such as patterns and architecture. Okay, let's start with parent. Let's create two classes. The first class is called a dog. The second class is called cat. Then create an animal parent class that the dog and cat classes will inherit. Inside the parent class animal, create a public method called actions. This method will describe common behavior of animals. An animal wakes up and then goes to eat. All of the animals do eat in the morning, for example. And the method does not return a value. Okay, so imagine that the behavior of a dog and a class will be different. The dog will go to play after eating. The cat will go to sleep again after eating. But here we violate one of the principles of object-oriented programming called open-close principle. In Solid, it's the letter O. About Solid, I'll speak in another video, not now about it. Anyway, the open-close principle implies that you should strive to write code in such a way that adding new functionality occurs by extending existing code rather than by changing it. A question is how to extend existing code in the parent class animal, and static call parent comes into play here. Okay, let's fix it. You can see that we extended the method actions inside class dog. Let's do the same inside class cat. Okay, let's create object of classes and call the method actions of each object. Then run our script. Okay, well done. Let's look at our code. It looks very clean and easy to support. You feel free to add many child classes. For example, if you need to change the common behavior, you need to change only one method in the parent class. Okay, next let's speak about static call self and static. Let's add a string type property color in parent class animal. The dog and cat classes will inherit this property. So let's redefine the value of property color in classes dog and cat. Let's add the new method getColor in classes dog and cat. So the self is a keyword in PHP that is used to refer to static members, properties and methods within the current class. It represents a reference to the current class in which it's used. Okay, call the method getColor of each object. Then run our script. You can see that all is correct, and we receive the right color for each animal object. But look at the method getColor in the dog and the cat class. Do you see? It's a duplication of code. The duplication of code is a very bad practice. We can move the method getColor to the parent class. Okay, so our code became cleaner and without duplication. Let's run our script, but something went wrong. Why are we now getting the animal class and the white color as a result? As I said before, the keyword self represents a reference to the current class in which it's used. This is because self uses a property defined in the class where the method exists. In our case, it is parent class animal. Here, we should use another static call named static. Let's try, then run our script. Now everything is alright. As you can see, this result is different from when self was used before. The call to the getColor method in the dog and cat classes uses the color property of them, not the animal class, where this method is actually located. This is due to a PHP feature called late static binding. Easy, so we learned about static calls such as parent, self, static, and about late static binding. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and like. I will be very pleased. See you in the other videos. Bye.